It's a video camera. I'm gonna do parts of the project and like video it. I'm trying to do it like in an hour and a half.
Okay. Is it just for fun or?
Kind of for fun, and also if like the students have questions, I think I'll cut it up and put it up on YouTube, and they can go and look at little sections like how to do things if they're like really confused, you know. I talked to people through the class before, and they were like, yeah, like I tried doing YouTube to look up clips on how to do stuff, and it was not helpful. So. It's kind of a first attempt. I don't know how it's going to turn out.
How good of a video quality can you get?
It's 1080p.
Okay.
It's quite good.
Nice. Does it have a emulator in it?
Yeah, like a micro SD or something.
Does it go on the gun?
Yeah, no, well, it does sometimes. That's actually, yeah, that's usually what I use it for. How did you know? Yeah.
Probably we can get a good video of it. We can put it on the course website.
Okay.
Instead of putting it up on YouTube.
That'd be good. I think, yeah.
The man always wanted to do it too, so.
Yeah, that's what I was talking to Chase about. He's like, yeah, he always wanted to do that, so I'm gonna give it a shot today, and we'll see how it turns out. There's no telling.
Okay.
It'd be better to have like 2 angles, I think, maybe, but for now, just gonna.
It would be better if you had set it up on a different base so that you can just swiveling it around would be better.
What do you mean?